Sekolah Menengah Kebahasaan Tengku Mizan Zainal Abidin, located in Kuala Nerus, Terengganu, have achievement in co-curriculum and academic, but have one problem, which is
Five minutes later.
Garbage pollution is increased. What should we do before this thing gets worse?
Don't worry, we have the solution to overcome the problems in our school.
What the solution? Come with us!
The problem of garbage pollution is increasing. Full trash cans cause students to throw garbage everywhere, so we create a called pyro turbine. The room is fire, for example, turbo heating to make it easier for the trash can not be full. The may cost you to create this product 335 ringgit. No electricity is used when producing this product because it's only uses a solar system. Garbage is thrown into a bin made of non-combustible material. When garbage is thrown into the bin, the garbage will burn. The small product will pass through the wastegate and go straight to the turbine. The turbine will rotate and produce electricity.
microhydro turbine are constructed using a variant of material depending on factors like turbine type, water head, and desired performance. Common material include steel, stainless steel, fiberglass, carbon fiber, and composite. High head turbine often use material like stainless steel alloy with high corrosion content to resist stress and corrosion, while low head turbine may utilize stainless steel and cotton steel. Composite material like fiberglass and carbon fiber are also used in microhydro turbine, particularly for runner and bladders to reduce weight and improve hydrodynamics.